AeroScout repairs update. Well, the front wheel support I created seems to have really done the job well. I've had several flights since my repair job, but unfortunately what it doesn't compensate for is a really crappy pilot. And I took a serious nosedive tonight. Hit some long grass and whipped it around. So now we've got body damage. The plywood is thoroughly broken now. I tried to lift up the battery tape and it pulled more plywood up. And underneath here, where my original repair job was, it is another hole, and we have ourselves some really bad damage. So we'll have to figure this one out.